Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to MyGlamm. It's your boy Jason, and I have very exciting news for you guys. So, MyGlamm has relaunched their Chisel It collection. So they thought of adding a little bit more love and more magic to these products. So the two brand new products are Face Value and Poker Face. Face Value is this beautiful combination of gold highlighter, and then you have a very coral peachy blush, which I think complements brilliantly, especially for people of colors. And then you have a very beautiful bronzer that is going to chisel you out, give you that oomph and for your night, also for your natural days. And the second product is Poker Face. Poker Face specifically works better for deeper skin tone, but if you love to play with makeup, there are no rules. You have this beautiful pink, which is like a baby pink, which is to give you that extra pop. And then you have this bronzer, again, to chisel out. These products are infused with optical technology that basically gives you the most airbrushed skin finish, and you're gonna get this super blurred, minimized pores, and also super sculpted and Instagram bam shablam face. This product is buildable in coverage, so you can go as intense you want to go. It's lightweighted, so no matter how much you put on yourself, you're not gonna look cakey. It is beautiful and suitable for all skin tones, so it's going to flatter you no matter who you are. These products are cruelty-free and paraben-free. So now you are one step away from being chiseled and lit. So go and get your Chisel It now from www.myglamm.com. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos.